Hi there everyone, welcome to Chill and Trade TV. And if you're new to this channel, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and click on that notification bell. And if you are back here again, welcome back. So in this week's video, we'll be taking a look at US 100, which is called Nasdaq or USTech, and also Euro USD from last week's analysis, just to see how the market played out and which opportunities we can look forward to this coming week before the year ends. So with Nasdaq, ladies and gentlemen, let me just go to the 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame, and if you just check the analysis I did on Nasdaq, we were anticipating this move to the upside until the high. Okay, let me go to the daily so that we can see everything nicely and clearly. All right, ladies and gentlemen. As you can see, Nasdaq has been going up for some time. Nasdaq has been going up, and gave us this corrective pattern, then broke up and still continue broke out, I mean to say, and is still continuing to the upside. So since Nasdaq is approaching the previous high, and last time it was at this zone or this area, it dropped down. The chances of it also going down, I mean, there's a probability. It's possible. It is possible. But however, looking at how the price went up, it went up aggressively. So I'm anticipating that it will still continue the push up to the upside. Push up to the upside. So what I'm anticipating is that price breaks this and gives us another of these another of these patterns. See these patterns, they break out and continues with the trend. So looking for something like a breakup out of the previous high, and then something like this, then a breakout to the upside, continuation, basically continuation to the upside. So that's what I am anticipating. That's what I am anticipating for Nasdaq, ladies and gentlemen. Just continuation. So now let's go to Euro USD. And remember, ladies and gentlemen, if you want to trade with a regulated FSC broker, click on the link in the description down below. And if you don't know what an FSC regulated broker is, or how to get one, or how to check if your broker you're currently trading with is FSC regulated, there is a video in the channel explaining how to go about doing that. So yes, as we continue with Euro USD, same as USD, you can look at last week's analysis video, and for this one I think I'll go to the 4 hour time frame. Let's go to the 4 hour time frame. Let's go to the 4 hour time frame. Nope, let's go to the 1 hour instead. Let's go to the 1 hour instead. So I did explain that we might get a move to the upside, and I hope you guys caught this beautiful buy. This beautiful buy. And we did have a nice pattern here, nice pattern. And as well as I think there's a head and shoulder here. So there is more than enough confirmation. Okay, let me just identify the head and shoulder, ladies and gentlemen. Shoulder, this will be the head. There we go. A nice head and shoulder. As well as I noticed that it's uh let's see if I do this. Previous high, not the previous higher high, but the previous lower high. This is the lower high, second lower high. Okay, but let me see. Okay, let me rather do this. Let me rather just outline this entire zone. Let me just from that high. Yup, let me do that. Let me do this. So yes, it is from the previous high because price just rejected at the zone. See this candle, this week's rejecting the previous resistance, now support zone. Just extend that a bit. Yeah, okay, okay. So we had a bit of confluence here, nice confluence. Previous support, previous resistance, now support, and the head and shoulder as well, plus the pattern, and price continued to the upside. Price continued to the upside, and I think as well, news also had an impact or influence on this. But I don't really trade in news that much. I don't really trade in news. I just rely on price action. I usually just more well I just rely on price action. Make sure. So now that price is at the previous high, this might just be a double top because price is pushing down aggressively. I thought this would be a pattern of some sort, but it was not. It was not. So this does look like a double top, and price did push down aggressively. So which means this area still stands, the strong area. So right now, what I might anticipate is that should price give me a continuation pattern and a breakout, then I will look for the sells the low, until the previous low, the previous low. So, and once price gets here, I'll see how what happens when it gets here. If it gives me another rejection, reversal of like the previous pattern, then I'll wait for confirmation as well and look for the buys to the upside. Look for buys to the upside, ladies and gentlemen. So yeah, that's it from me. Don't forget to like, subscribe, click on that notification bell, and if you want to trade with a regulated FSC broker, click on the link in the description down below. Have yourselves a profitable trading week next week. This is Chill and Trade TV. Until the next video, peace.